English learning sentences with Urdu translation. Let's start. मैंने ये लफ्ज़ नहीं कहा. I did not say that word. I did not say that word. वो आपकी तरह लगता है. He looks like you. He looks like you. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ. If I am not mistaken. If I am not mistaken. डरो मत. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Afraid का मानी है डरना. आप अपने आप को क्या समझते हैं? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? मेरे लिए कुछ करो. Do something for me. Do something for me. क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? आपको जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to hurry. You don't have to hurry. Hurry के मानी है जल्दी. क्या आप मुझे साफ सुन सकते हैं? Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? ये बताओ मुझे. Tell me that. Tell me that. मैं इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything about him. I don't know anything about him. Know के मानी है जानना. क्या आपको ये याद है? Do you remember it? Do you remember it? मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. I have to think. I have to think. मुझे अब जाना होगा. I have to go now. I have to go now. मुझे ये करना है. I have to do it. I have to do it. आप मेरी मदद करेंगे या नहीं? Will you help me or not? Will you help me or not? आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. You can tell me. You can tell me. मैंने उसे बताया. I told him. I told him. मुझे माफ कर दो. Pardon me. Pardon me. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. क्या ये दूर है? Is it far away? Is it far away? मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I am reading book. I am reading book. Reading की मानी है मुताला करना या पढ़ना. घर पर नहीं. Not at home. Not at home. मैं कोशिश कर रहा था. I was trying. I was trying. Try की मानी है कोशिश करना. प्लीज बात करें. प्लीज स्पीक अप. प्लीज स्पीक अप. स्पीक के मानी है बोलना. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.